Eastern Woodlands. American Indians of the Eastern Woodlands. The Eastern Woodlands stretched east from the Mississippi River to the Atlantic Ocean. It ran south from the Great Lakes to the Ohio Valley. American Indians settled among its hills and valleys and along its sea coasts. Most tribes spoke either Iroquois or Algonquin. Iroquois tribes included the Mohawks and the Senecas. The Mohegans and the Delawares were two Algonquin tribes, or tribes that spoke Algonquin. The area has 4 seasons, including cold winters and hot summers. Lots of rain helps fill streams and rivers. Birch, oak, and maple trees grew in woodland forests, which were home to animals such as turkey, deer, and beaver. The Algonquins used trees from the region's forest to build their homes, called wigwams. Winter wigwams were larger than summer wigwams and were used for years. For wigwams, the men bent small trees into a dome-shaped frame and tied them together. Then women covered this frame with birch bark or mats made from plants. The Algonquins used animal skins such as deer hides for clothing. Algonquin tribes kept warm by wearing capes made of wild turkey feathers, which they made by sewing together overlapping feathers. The Algonquins made fast, light canoes from several types of trees. They built a cedar frame, covered it with birch tree bark, sewed the bark together with spruce roots, and used maple wood to hold the boat sides together. A man could carry this kind of canoe from one stream to another.